Mga kapitbahay. Hello, baby loves. I have present. Baby loves, oh my gosh. That's a big one. Happy Mother's Day, baby.
Happy Mother's Day.
No, she's big. She's my mom now. Because every time we go out, she's the one who's holding my hand. And when we're crossing the street, she wants to make sure that, right, baby loves, I'm crossing in the right crossing road. Mga kapitbahay, look at this. Oh my goodness.
You didn't even look in the bag yet. What's in the bag?
No, I look that,
Oh,
baby
that bag.
loves. Oh no, not yet. I love this flower, baby loves. Oh my goodness, I love this balloon.
Oh,
And
I
I
get you
have,
the biggest balloon.
oh my god, then I have this. Wait a second. Oh, I love the flower, baby. Oh, I am so happy. I'm always happy. Oh my god, baby loves! Oh my god, you're
Stage me.
oh my god, you're so nice! Oh my god, I've been craving that the other day and I couldn't go there at the store. Oh my god, my baby knows me. Oh my god, I have the pink one. Oh, I like the diamond on this.
I know, I
See?
thought you would like that.
Oh my god, baby love. Teka, I'm gonna read this. I'm not gonna read very loud.
Okay.
Oh, baby loves. You seem like as your dad. You picked the nice card. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, baby love, this is real. You said over here. I just wanna read for you. You
I know. There's more words on it.
Yeah, I know, but this is real. You said, the sound of her voice has lifted your spirit. Is this real, baby loves? Oh, love you, baby. Oh, baby loves. Oh my God, baby loves, you make me cry your card. Sweetheart, why you keep